2015 Honda Accord valve cover gasket replacement. As you see here, right here, the wet area, we had a leaking here and on the other side. So, make the story short, the intake manifold needs to come off. You're gonna need 12 millimeter on all these bolts. They are long ones, like that. And then you're gonna need 10 millimeter for the bolts all around the actual valve cover, and the other one, the other side. So you can take off the ignition coil without disconnecting them. I mean, it's gonna give you enough room. But on this side, same thing on this side, you can disconnect just the wire, but not the whole connectors from the bracket, and take that off. But what we are gonna do, we're gonna take that chassis bar off. It's gonna give you more room to take on the other side. Basically, you need to replace the spark plug tubes and the grommets all around it. Sometimes it's not a bad idea to replace the intake manifold gasket, and if you have too many miles on it, along with the throttle body gasket, since you have them out, just to stay at the safe side. It is about like 2.5 hour job, and that's all about it. Let me see, what else should I mention that you guys might need that on top of that one. Remember that valve cover is a plastic one. That's on the newer ones. The older one has got the aluminum valve cover, but on this one has got the plastic one. So check for the warp or something if you have like too many miles on it, to make sure there is no warp. Other than that, everything else should be fine. But there is no silicone maker needed or anything like that. Just whenever you want to push it back, there is a groove like that around it, so you can push it in all the way in and make sure it's not gonna pop up. So basically that's gonna be the procedure, and whenever you do that, like I said, by the time that you want to put it back together, make sure it's not gonna slide off or anything like that. And this is not the new one, this is the original one. We are waiting for the new one. It hasn't arrived yet, but we're gonna do the other side real quick, and after that you start the car, let the car run. You might have some kind of smoking still, or you can wipe it off, clean it off with this brake cleaner and blow the air on it. Make sure it's dry to avoid any further smoking, because the leftover oil has been settled on the exhaust. Is going to cause some more smoke. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure again to subscribe my channel, give us a thumbs up if you like that video and if it's helpful. Thank you guys again, and see you next time.